Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings tab and here scroll down to the system section. Now just go there, and here we got the gestures section. Tap on this section, and here you got this 3-finger screenshot. Tap here and just tap onto the switcher to turn on this function, and right now we'll take the screenshot. Just hold your screen with your 3 fingers at the same time, and as can you see, we got here our screenshot. We can edit the screen, share with the screen, also delete, and as can you see, we can just save that. Okay, just here tap to allow, and your photo is saved. And for example, I think that you can find your screen here in the Photos application. And for example, go here to the library, and here on the right side you can see the screenshots folder, and as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.